Hello everybody, this is Paul and I'm super excited to introduce you to Talking Photos version 2.0. We really built everything from the ground up and you'll see that right now. Let me go walk you through this application right now. So first thing we've done, and I'll go step by step with each, is human videos now with 50 plus different animations, facial expressions, hand movements and stuff like that you can do from a single photo. Okay, so it's simple. You go over here, I'll show you. Before we had just a bunch of them like excited thumbs up, frustration and stuff. Now look at that. Scroll down, keep going. Look at this, both hands, palms, and then one of the biggest requests was, can you make the hand movements subtle, like a little bit more natural movements, not too fast? We've done that too. You see these, right? Keeping going on and on and on. And what we've done here is that you'll see some males and females as well here. It does not matter if you generate a character which is male or female, what actions you use. The reason why is that we've recorded them in the studio in such a way that they will apply regardless whether it's a male or female, because the actions are very subtle. They're not really, if you will, pertaining to a male or female. You'll see it when you actually apply it. So we added all these brand new ones right here. It's really exciting. You can use right away. This was not there before. Version 2.0 has added that in. All right, while my videos are being rendered, I also want to show you some user-generated content, okay? This is actually done by our beta testers and other users just like you, how they've created talking animals and people and stuff like that, because it's going to just give you some idea of how easy it is to create, but also really leverage it to the next level. So first, let's talk about realistic human, right? You can create vertical as well as horizontal. So what they did is they used this human video and then just 9:16 here.
AI. Hey, ever wished your photos could tell a story? Now they can. With Talking Photos AI, your snapshots come to life, narrating the moment just as you remember it. Simply upload a photo, add a voice message, and let the app do the rest.
Companies select us due to our firm's deep sector knowledge, demonstrated track record, partnership-oriented approach, and proven strategic and operational expertise. We bring our skills and experience to each of our investments and use them to help our portfolio companies excel in product innovation, operational excellence, and sustainable growth.
Now next, you have the 2D and 3D characters, right? Cartoon characters. And this is where you can create beautiful videos with this. So you click on this. This is what we're talking about. So you can create these Disney Pixar style characters, and you can do that in vertical or horizontal and stuff like that. And then basically you just go in, create new character, and then you can see here female, and then you can do the race, the gender, and then the race, and then 3D cartoon or 2D cartoon, right? 3D would be more Disney Pixar style, and then you can generate off of that. So for example, if I wanted to generate somebody where a business woman wearing a suit, right, with blonde hair and blue eyes. I'm just making it up. Click generate. It generates something like this, right? I mean, you can even make it even more cooler by adding Disney, Pixar and stuff like that into the prompts. But what's cool here is I can add any image. You see this? Add image to the media gallery. So let me do that right now. I'll just upload a photo here of this girl right here. And then you can now even change attributes, right? So you can say instead of blonde hair, you can say, for example, red curly hair, which is some attributes of this girl, and then click generate. There you go. I've had that image generated with her attributes, you see. So you can do the same thing with your photos as well. Just make sure that you add like as a Disney or Pixar style 3D character. So what I could do is if I could put male, I don't know, let's say there's some other attributes here, and let's say businessman, right, with black hair and black eyes, right? This is there, and then I can upload my own photo, right? So I could do that too if I want to. Okay, there we go. I've uploaded my photo here myself. So this was the photo, by the way, right? Uploaded it here. And then I click regenerate here. So what I put is businessman wearing a suit with black hair and black eyes as a Disney and Pixar style 3D character. There we go. So it uses my attributes and generates me in a 3D style character, right? You can do the same with 2D as well. 3D looks obviously better than 2D, right? So you can basically play around with it. Now when you're done, just click on next, and then here you go. You got 3D character attributes here and all the hand movements and stuff for the 3D character. You see waving, emphatic explanation, thumbs up, and on and on and on, right? So you get the point, right? So if you want to do it this way, click next, and then here you go. You just do whatever, cheerful, excited, whatever, and then you paste any script, click import script, and then you click next, and then you just give it a name, 3D Paul video, right? Click render, and it's going to start working. It's going to take up to 20 minutes depending on your video length, as you can create up to 5 minutes video length with the all-inclusive Talking Photos plan, right? So basically 5 minutes, and then you can do some merging, which I'll get to in just a second.
Companies select our company due to our firm's deep sector knowledge, demonstrated track record, partnership-oriented approach, and proven strategic and operational expertise. We bring our skills and experience to each of our investments and use them to help our portfolio companies excel in product innovation.
बहुत हो गया। क्या समझती हो अपने आप को? एक आदमी के सिर पे होगी घास खा रही हो। तुम्हें कोई शर्म है? तुम्हारी कोई इज्जत भी है? कहीं भी जाके किसी के भी सिर पे घास खाने लगोगी? निर्लज्ज, बेशरम, सड़क छाप, हम इंसानों को
Pretty cool, right? Now, one thing we did, when you clone the video, right? Let's say you want it done much faster, like the rendering, right? Click on clone, you leave the exact same motion that was there earlier. So you just leave everything as is and you click choose audio and then you change the audio. What's going to happen is a lot of the animations, hand movements are preset, right? It generates much faster because all you have to do is lip sync at this point, right? So if I change this, right? Let's say complete sentence are firm. You do or whatever, right? And then let's say I want to delete this part and then I change this voice a little bit to whatever. Let's say cheerful, or let's just change this to Tony, and Tony is hopeful, right? And then you click import speech, and then what happens is if you just click on this new voiceover, let's say, right, as the project name, click render, it's going to be done much faster now because all the movements and stuff was pre-recorded because you reused everything. Just change the text to speech, right? This is how you can create longer length videos very quickly, okay? And then you can merge them together as well using this merge videos function right here on the top. We'll get to. Look how fast the video got generated. See this one right here, just 3 minutes ago. So it took a couple of minutes or even less to generate this video. Look at it. So it's 23 seconds long and just generated in just a couple of minutes or less. So that's because we're trying to clone. When we clone, we just reuse everything, including the motions and stuff. So if you pick the right motion and you want to create multiple videos with that same hand movements and emotions and stuff in the face, and you just change the text to speech audio, import audio, whatever, then it's much faster because you got the character. You can keep doing the lip sync over and over again, so you can create very quickly videos in just a couple of minutes. And that's revolutionary. It took us a long time to figure this out. Next one is the animal video. So this is where you can create an animal character like these and have them talking, okay? The way they work is that we need them to be in more cartoonish style rather than realistic because of the teeth, right? The teeth looks much more realistic when it's more cartoonish. That's why we did talking animals. No other application can do this at this moment. All right, so click create new character. Same thing, male or female, and then you can put like characters here. So cute rabbit wearing a three-piece tuxedo. Okay, click generate. There we go. A tuxedo looking straight at the camera here, as you can see. Now then with this one, you just go next. Same concept applies. You want to add some any kind of emotions or whatever you put here. Import speech. If you want to use text to speech, you can voice record. You can even import an audio. And I'll get to the point where the import audio also comes into play, because you can also import music, songs, right? Somebody singing. So we'll just say 3D cartoon rabbit talking, right? And then click render video. That's doing its thing. I'll show you the results in just a sec.
Companies select our company due to our firm's deep sector knowledge, demonstrated track record, partnership-oriented approach, and proven strategic and operational expertise.
Oh, hi. I am Charlie. Nice to meet you. Do you have any bananas? I love bananas.
Hey, did you know? You can now use Talking Photos AI to create 3D anime character videos as well as talking animal videos, and guess what more new features are on the way?
G'day, I'm Kai. You might think I'm just munching on leaves here, but these aren't just any leaves. They're eucalyptus, the lifeblood of our Australian forest.
Hola. Soy Panda Kung Fu.
Hello there, humans. I'm just a humble goat, but I've got a big message for you.
And the beauty here is that there's no motions here. We preset it because for these talking animals, because the technology that uses is completely different from the other ones that I mentioned before. So the head movements and the lip sync is different completely, which is what makes it unique, because nothing like this is out there, right? So you don't have to worry about any motions or anything for this one. The last one And this is basically our singing and dancing video. So what we're doing with this one is it's something revolutionary, okay? It's never been done before. And let me show you a couple of examples of this one, and it will completely blow you away.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life fast forward. At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time,
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away.
Now this feature is right here, singing and dancing videos, and since it's a never before release feature, we never really promised that we could release it. There's a lot of behind the scenes stuff to make this possible, because the characters are dancing, they're moving left and right, up and down, right? So because of all these other movements, to maintain the lip sync of the song, maintain the pause and stuff, a lot of work went behind it. Instead of releasing a brand new product and make a lot of money doing it, we wanted to include this in. All we ask from you, okay, is when you click on this right now, okay, in your account, it's going to say, hey, you don't have to just switch, you can upgrade your account by clicking on this review bonus. Okay, when you go here, all you got to do, okay, is you'll see the instructions here. Just leave us a review in capterra.com and send us an email. Okay, so you see this right here, post a review by clicking here. You'll go here. And also you get a chance to win $25 by doing so. You just review whatever here you wish. The easiest way is to just log into your LinkedIn account, because I'll speed up the process for you. It just takes you a couple of minutes max. And then once you're done with these steps, just email us a screenshot of you sending that review over. And then our team will lock it in about 3 business days or so, depending on when you receive it, nighttime, evening, whatever. So basically this is going to unlock singing and dancing videos, the perfect lip sync for you. New motion templates, meaning more of these singing and dancing videos that is hidden. Nobody else will get access to except for you. Yes, later on people may have to buy upsells and all that stuff. You never have to, nothing extra to buy. And you'll also get access to our Talking Photos affiliate program, which is a special program by invite only, but you're going to get access to it as well. All you got to do, as I said, go here and do that. Now, on top of that, the other features as well that are all in the tutorials tab here on the top right. Okay, so one of them is adding subtitles, right? So if you see here, any video that you want, you can add in subtitles by, let's say, for example, this video right here, I want to add subtitles. Again, go here, you can change that. There's specific tutorials in the tutorials tab on how to use it. Pretty easy to add subtitles, right? And on top of that, you can also merge your videos and create longer length videos. And you can even create multiple stories. You have a rabbit talking to, let's say, a lion talking to, let's say, a deer. You can do that kind of merged videos as well. So you can go here, click add here, right here. Let's say I want to add multiple videos. I want to merge, right? So I can do 3. This video I'll select. Second video is this right here. Third video I want to add in, which is for example this video right here that I want to merge, you know, any amount of, right? Like here, as you can see, this is right here right now, it's 1 minute 29 seconds long. Click next, and then you can say right here, merged video call, and then you can just render it out, merge videos here. Let me show you how this looks like here under my videos when it's generated. See this where it was generated right now. There we go, we have this video, and after that you have this other video, and then you have her, right? You see this? Perfect, right? There's the other merged video as well. There's so many other cool features, little hidden features like these. Go check out the tutorials tab as well. And again, as I said, this is just the start. We're adding a lot more other cool features behind the scenes, a lot of improvements, speed of generation and stuff. As you saw, this record-breaking rendering speed here as well for the type of videos it can generate. And we would love to get your feedback to improve it further. Okay, a lot of work went inside it, so I appreciate everybody having patience with V1.0 when we did, and I offered saying, hey, we have a lot of other cool updates for version 2.0. Well, that's the time here. Super excited to give it to you as our way of saying thank you as well for being part of our Talking Photos AI V1.0 launch. So everybody who has that V1.0 will get V2.0 for free, as this update is free for you. So get started. Looking forward to seeing you enjoying it, posting the videos into our Facebook group and that sort of thing. Thank you.